We're at Sotto Mare in North Beach, San Francisco.
Wow. And
Yep.
what kind of cuisine is it?
Italian and seafood.
Yes, and I love Italian, so y'all know. It's my favorite of all the cuisines in the whole world. Italian. Octopus salad. Lamb chowder. Are both oysters, right?
Mm-hmm. Oysters and clams.
Oysters and clams. And my beautiful Gugu. Say hi.
Hi.
You want to go first?
What? Okay, I'm tasting the clam chowder. I'm dipping my bread into clam chowder.
Delicious. Can never go wrong with clam chowder. What is that red thing? Tomato?
Yeah, what do you call it? Marinara. Yeah.
Marinara? I sound so white.
Or cocktail sauce. It could be cocktail sauce. I don't know. I'll let you know. It's cocktail sauce.
What's cocktail sauce?
It's basically ketchup, horseradish, and Worcestershire.
Worcestershire sauce.
Yeah, Worcestershire.
How is it?
So good. You need to stop talking and start eating.
Okay, let's do it. This is raw, right? Raw clams.
Be brave, my dear. Be brave. The whole thing at once. The whole thing at once. Good, right? 3 bites to get the taste of it.
It's good, but the aftertaste is funky. Where do I put this?
I made a pile.
Oh, that was surprising. It tastes like the ocean. Oh my gosh.
Try an oyster.
How do you eat oyster?
Same thing, just put a little bit of cocktail sauce on and
This is some real seafood. I never really had like seafood for real. Oyster. Wait. It tastes kind of similar but smoother and less chewy. Yeah.
the clams are more flavorful in my opinion.
They taste like the ocean. If ocean had a flavor, it would be oysters and clams. Oh my gosh, that was surprising. Are you supposed to put lemon on it?
You can.
Okay, time for clam chowder, my favorite. Do you want to try some octopus salad? Okay, I know clam chowder will be buzzing. Wow. It's very good. It tastes more authentic. It doesn't taste like clam chowder from Bodine.
Tastes like clam chowder what?
It doesn't taste like clam chowder from Bodine.
I like this better than Bodine. You know why? I don't really like Bodine.
Because it's not authentic.
I don't really like Bodine clam chowder because they make it too thick and make
Oh.
it too much like paste. You know?
It's good though. I liked it. Yummy.
The octopus salad is so good. I love it.
How are you today?
Octopus salad.
It's cooked octopus. The octopus is cooked.
I don't know if that helps.
What do you mean? Keep an open mind.
Sandab is a
My friends, I am going to taste a piece of octopus right now. It's really soft and like really kissable.
Good, right?
Hmm.
Guys, coming through.
It's good. Oh, it's really good. It's good. That's good. Let's take another piece. What is this?
Octopus.
What part of the body is it?
Oh, that looks like one of the legs because you can see the suction cup right there.
This is the suction cup?
Huh?
This is the suction cup?
It looks like it. Oh, this is definitely a suction cup.
Yeah, yeah. It's like, it's kind of like the feeling is like a squid, but it's less chewy.
Guys, coming through.
Oh, these are like the regular noodles, right?
Yeah, that's the linguine. This is the cioppino. And this is the fettuccine.
Scallop fettuccine.
Yeah.
What is this called? Cioppino?
Huh? Cioppino.
Cioppino.
So legend has it, this is not really an Italian dish. It's a San Francisco dish. So once upon a time, like around Fisherman's Wharf, there used to be like a big farmer's market. It's also where the fishermen will dock their boats at the end of the day after they've gone fishing. So the farmers and the fishermen, they were also hungry. They decided to put in what they had for the day, the catch for the day and the farmer's harvest for the day. Thank you. And it's like one farmer said, okay, I got some tomatoes. Let me chip in. And then a clam fisherman said, oh, I got some clams. Let me chip those in. And shrimp fisherman, I'll chip those in, so on and so forth. And then together they made this whole big pot of stew. And hence the name cioppino. I don't know how true it is, but that is the lore.
Okay, Gugu with the seafood. Wait, this is the scallop.
Okay, well, because you called linguine, so I'm having a fork full of linguine now.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. I don't know if that is really.
Yeah, well, maybe there might be. I think so. There's a couple of people on the same boat.
Whew,
And
so
there's
hot.
academics. And
To the touch, not to the taste. But very good.
It's a mix.
Delish? Delish.
Well, the sauce is really good.
Wow. Very good. Okay, and then now what is the other one called?
Fettuccine.
Fettuccine. Seafood fettuccine.
Yours is base scallop fettuccine.
Oh, so yours is the linguine.
Yes.
Okay. So seafood linguine and then scallop fettuccine. Do you want to try the linguine?
I already did.
I mean the fettuccine?
I
Oh my
already
gosh.
did.
Wait, oh my gosh. You're confusing me. Do you want to try the other one?
Okay, so the fat noodle is fettuccine. I already tasted some of it.
Okay.
And the thin noodles are linguine, and I already tasted some of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which
The fettuccine is good, but I'm glad I chose the linguine.
So you like the linguine more?
Yes.
It's the linguine. Which noodles is the linguine?
Huh?
Which one is the linguine?
The thin noodle. The thin noodle is linguine.
Okay, got it. Thank you. And then we'll dig into this a little later on.
I love tomato, and this is a tomato stew. Ooh, and they have some pasta in here too.
That's great.
I don't know if that's an accident or... Oh, no, no. They put a lot of pasta in this too. Oh, yes. Thank you.
There's a lot of food.
I know.
How's everything so far?
Everything is delicious.
It is delicious. I love it.
But that is how we roll always, right? When I take you out to eat, it's always... I always feed you too good. I always feed you too much. I'm not going to wear the bib. I feel like a dork.
How is it?
It's good.
Good? Elaborate on good. Delicious.
It's
Spectacular. Spark of flavor. So much tomato. So ocean.
It's tomatoey, and it's infused with the taste of the seafood. However, it is a bit too sweet for my taste. I prefer it a little saltier, but not as sweet. But that's just me.
It's still expected to go up another 2 to 3 billion.
Okay, good. I am now going to try the linguine, which is the skinnier noodles. Okay. So good. How? I like it. They put cheese on it. I can really taste that. And the sauce is really good too. And creamy, right?
Yeah. You know, as much as you love noodles, I'm surprised you can't tell your linguine from your fettuccine.
I can't tell my noodles from my noodles. I just like if it's noodles, sure. Yeah. This is cooked very nice. This is cooked very nice. It's cooked right.
That's why I said I'm glad I chose the linguine. I like the linguine. It's more soft.
This is the muscle,
Yes.
like my arm muscles.
Not quite.
It tastes like a clam.
They're in the same family.
Clam. Let's see the difference.
I like clams better than mussels.
You can taste the difference. You can taste the difference. I don't know how to explain it though, but it has like it kind of has the same texture. but like the taste,
Clams are sweeter.
yeah, yeah,
Clams are much sweeter than
yeah.
mussels.
It has a different taste. This is just shrimp. What is this? Octopus? Octopus?
I remember when they were talking about part
5 plus 5 is 10. Bussin'. Okay, let's try the scallops. Scallops are cooked nicely as well. Good, yummy. Let's try the noodles. I feel like there's a really milk texture or like a milk feeling in this one.
The fettuccine is a little drier. I like the ingredients sauce.
It's saucier.
And good news for you, I'm kind of full, so you can have food.
I can't put both here. Girl, she really... It's a lot of food, Gugu. This is why I told you not to eat so much bread. And you don't listen to me.
Uncle
It's
Jesse
so good,
told
though.
me the same thing. Stop filling up on bread. I never listen to those. I love bread.
This is good though. Oh my gosh.
Do you like the fettuccine better or the linguine better?
I like both of them.
Okay.
This one you can see like it's very liquidy, you know, and not as
the
heavy.
sauce sank to the bottom.
Yeah.
I see. Oh, so this is a cheesier sauce. The
Yeah.
linguine is the cheese.
I feel like this. Okay, guys, we just finished eating. Where's the restaurant? It's that white one. That white one that's glowing.
Yeah,
I need you to hold this for a second.
that's what I said.
Okay. This restaurant right here. Wait, actually, I can't focus it.
We
Okay, I
can't see
can't
the
focus
sign.
it. Yeah, but it just says Sotto
Sotto Mare.
Sotto Mare, which is the restaurant name. You look at the left side.
Oh,
The
okay.
dot.
Okay.
The
The big dot.
big one.
Okay,
yes.
gotcha.
Okay,
Is that
yeah.
Uncle Ethan? No.
No, I don't think so. Okay, so yeah, that was Sotto Mare, and it was very delicious. We had a bunch of food thanks to my Gugu. Thank you so much. It was so yummy. There's a bunch of noodles, and I love noodles. And the soup was really good, and also like the clams and not the oysters.
Octopus.
The oysters.
Oh, oysters.
Oysters, octopus. I was combining octopus and
Yeah,
oysters.
yeah.
And the mussels. My
Mussels and what
My
else?
mussels.
And the clams.
Yeah, they were
Yeah.
really nice. They were a totally new experience. Like I did not really expect what I tasted, but it was nice to try, and I feel like I would definitely come back for something else. You know?
Yes.
Yeah. It was
And
really
the bread was delicious.
Good. Yeah,
the-
because she kept on filling up on the bread like she always does.
Oh, it was the best bread. It was warm and crusty
Yeah.
and tender on the inside.
Yeah, I like it when they have the soft bread on the inside. You know?
Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah, and it's like crispy on the outside.
Yeah.
That's the perfect combination.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
So we will see you in the next video. And thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like.
Share, subscribe, and
And-
comment below.
What should we comment below?
I don't know.
What's your favorite cuisine? And what's your favorite seafood? Okay?
Yes,
And we'll see you next
are you
time.
jealous that we've been eating so well every month?
I know, right? We've been eating so well for so long.
Yeah.
Are you jealous yet?